Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 4th, and this is my full top-down analysis on gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, gold is a little bit of a complex pattern just because it's got some fractals going on. And what I mean by that is we have a big wave one, we have a big wave two, and then we have a wave three that is not over yet. But inside that one, two, three, we also have a subdivision, a fractal of that, because we have a wave one, a wave two, a wave three. Eventually, we're going to have to make a wave four, which we could be doing already, and then go up and make a wave five. And that one, two, three, four, five would only be the end of a wave three. Then it would have to make a much bigger pullback for a wave four and a much bigger push up for a wave five just to end the trend that started way back here in 2016. And really, it doesn't have to do any of that, honestly. I mean, it could just keep on trending up and up and up because gold really is kind of a never ending uptrend, honestly. I mean, yeah, it has big pullbacks along the way, but definitely very strong uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, I mean, we do have an engulfing move down on the weekly. So there is a pretty good chance that this wave three is over, or we're at least in some sort of a significant pullback that is probably not even close to being over. If it is a wave four, we would kind of expect it to probably go down to at least a 38%, right around the 2008.50 area before we go up and make a wave five, keeping in mind that this is still a wave three on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is actually making me think that this is going to stretch out even more and turn into like a wave A. And then this is going to make a wave B. And then it's going to go down, make a wave C, giving us a bigger structure, which would be the wave four. Then perhaps go back up after it gets about to the $2,800 area for a wave five. So this is definitely what the higher time frames are making me think that we're actually still in a wave A right now. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 4 hour time frame, because on the sort of time frames, it definitely makes you think otherwise. On the sort of time frames, I would almost kind of think that this is an A, just like I've been saying in my videos, that this is an A, this is a B, it goes up and makes a C, and then goes down for the bigger wave C. So you have like the big wave A, you have an ABC of B, expanding ABC of B, and then the bigger wave C. Just keep this in mind because it definitely is possible. But I always trust what I see on the higher time phase. The higher time phase make me think that this is just going to keep going and going and going, and that this is actually like a wave one, a wave two, a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five of wave A, like I showed on the daily time frame. It just looks a little weird on the sort of time phase because the correctly tuned time frame is a higher time frame, like around the daily time frame. The sort of time phase I just showed you too much detail. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So keeping that in mind, I would primarily be looking for sorts. Now, I think that there is, even if it is going to go down, it's probably going to do something like this. It's probably going to make an A, a B, a C, and then it's going to go down again. I know most people that trade gold do trade some very short time frames, so I mean, you could definitely try to go long if you want to trade the wave C, and maybe you'll get lucky and it turns into the big wave C, like the two options that I showed you on the higher time frames. But keep in mind that there's a very good chance we're in a wave three of wave A to the downside, and that this thing could literally just go down and go down and go down. Because in a daily time frame, I think I need to recommend that the more likely possibility is we are in a wave three of wave A. So that means we technically should probably be looking for sorts every single chance we get. Now, if you do go long and it just keeps on going up and up and up and up, then that's great news. But more than likely, that's probably not what's going to happen. More than likely, it's probably going to make lower highs, 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 because that's what a downtrend does. Especially if it's a wave three downtrend, it should continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.